What are these? Diamondy? They're for the next challenge, okay? They're for the next challenge. Anyways, Slabby's team. We're about to do your elimination. Can you sing the song again? No. But please, no. Please, fine. Someone's going to the BOS. Let's see who it is. It's the elimination. You know, I'm down here, you know. I could do way better with that song. Shut up, Snow. Anyways, yeah. And Stone Bricky and the Never Bricks are, well, yeah, safe. Prismarine Bricky and Crank Stone Bricky are staying in the game. And so is Slabby. Yeah, people actually like him. But why are we in the bottom too? Not you, Stone Bricky. Chiseled Stone Bricky. Never wore tea. What? What does that mean? What does that mean? One of you is about to be eliminated. So, who is it? It's Never Warty. Never Warty has been eliminated. Phew. I was scared. What? No. Hey, Snow. And basically everyone else in there. Yes? Here. There we go. Now, Diamond, you're asking what these were for the challenge? You have to construct a thermonuclear bomb. The better one wins. And the better one I use to destroy Bullhorn. Who's Bullhorn? I don't know. You do not know him, but I know him way too well. Anyways, start constructing. We have to construct a bomb. Yes, we do, Mr. No Personality. Okay, stop. No. Fine. What's this back part? It says, do not activate until constructed. I think the darker color should go on the bottom. Yeah, here. Ta-da, we're done. That doesn't look too good. Hey, it just suddenly went apart. Suddenly fell apart, you mean? What pattern does it want it in? Can't be that pattern. Because we tried that pattern. No. I know. Let's do it this way. Yeah, anyway, ow. See it. There we go. So I believe the bottom brick, I believe it goes in a stripe pattern. There we go. We finished constructing our thermonuclear bomb. Great. Now, test them. What? Test them. Test your thermonuclear bombs. Throw them over there. If they explode immediately, that means you built them properly. If it doesn't, then uh-oh, one of your teams is going up for elimination. Okay, Diamondy, your team's up first. 3, 2, 1. Hasn't exploded immediately. Slabby. Now we wait. Wait for what? The explosion. How do I know which team is safe? Whoever explodes first wins. Okay, now, yeah. So, is it gonna explode? Oh, it's gonna explode in a second. Liar, you said 1 second. I know. Wait, was that a dad joke? Yes, it was. Wait, never mind. One's about to explode, and it's... Well, that secures a win for Diamond D's team. Yeah, we did it. Yeah. We won. Yeah. As a reward, you get to pick someone out of the box of suckers to be back on your team. There's not many good people. We want Lapis Lazuli back. Yeah. She was just eliminated last episode. Why? Well, we can't have Clay back because he's poop. And Hay Bale is just annoying. Same thing goes with Snow. Never Wardy was also just eliminated. So yeah. Sponge kind of cheated, but was originally on our team. So yeah. That leaves Bricky. Welcome back to the game, Bricky. And as for you guys, you'll be losing another member. So yeah. Plot twist, we're doing another elimination right now. Really? Yeah. Anyways. It's official. I gathered the votes and I'm going to make this a quick one. Red Never Bricky is one of the safe ones. And Stone Bricky is eliminated. What? No, you can't eliminate me. Sorry. That's what the vote says. They legitimately say you're eliminated. Who had the fewest? Slabby? Not fair. Gained a brick, lost a brick. Yeah, I know that. Stay tuned for the next episode of the Minecraft Battle Reboot as Paper. In episode 8, we will... No, don't stop.